2015 Ford F-150 5.0, roughly 96,178 miles. Um, Wiper switch is off. What's happening? Wipers keep coming on, like every 30 seconds. There it is. What's telling me is this shit gone bad. I picked one up at O'Reilly's, $50. I'm gonna try this out. First thing, what you want to do, those are 7/32, three of them. Unclip. Just clip here. Turn the steering wheel, you can get to it. Top of your steering wheel has to be to the side. And another one on this side. Pop those out with a flathead screwdriver. Pry these apart. Two little star screws right in here. One down here, one up here. Put those in. This bad boy just slides right out. Get your new one. Slide it back in just like that one slid right back out. And it has little grooves you put it in, so you can't put it in wrong. Slide it, pop it. Get screws, install them, flip this back down, pop your three 7/32 screws back, you're good to go. No more issues. Y'all have a good day.